What happens to the capital gains exemption when a spouse passes away? Let's talk about that. Hi, I'm Tom Bird. I'm a local real estate agent serving in the Southwest Atlanta metro area. My team and I specialize in helping families navigate the probate process after the loss of a loved one. Now, before we dive into the topic today, I want to be clear that I'm not a tax professional. I'm not an attorney. I'm a real estate agent who has gained valuable insight through working with clients in these very situations. As always, consult your tax professional or your attorney for guidance that is specific to your circumstances. Let's start with just a quick overview of the capital gains exemption. The IRS views profits from selling real estate as taxable gain. So if you've lived in your home for at least 2 of the past 5 years, you may qualify for an exemption. The exemption is $250,000 for those filing single returns and $500,000 for married couples filing jointly. That's where things get important for surviving spouses. We recently worked with a client who purchased their home years ago with their now deceased spouse. Now, after the spouse passed away, the surviving owner was considering selling. Thanks to all the appreciation, the home would sell for much more than what they paid for it, and capital gains could be a big concern. What many don't realize is that the IRS actually allows surviving spouses to still claim the full $500,000 exemption as long as, one, they haven't remarried, two, they meet the ownership use requirements, and three, they sell their home within 2 years of that spouse's passing. That 2 year window is critical. In our client's case, they were already thinking about downsizing, but once they understood the 2 year rule, the decision to sell became very clear. They sold their home for roughly $400,000 more than they paid and paid no capital gains tax. They used those proceeds to purchase a smaller, one-story home that better suited their lifestyle. This is a common choice for surviving spouses wanting to downsize or move closer to family, transition to a retirement community, or even move in with family. If you or someone that you know is in a similar situation, please know that you have our heartfelt condolences. And if the property is in the Atlanta metro area, we would be honored to help you navigate through your options. If not, we have trusted real estate partners across the country who understand these complex situations. Unfortunately, many agents aren't familiar with the implications of capital gains during probate or after the loss of a spouse. That's why having the right guidance is key. I hope this video was helpful. If you ever need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. And until next time, bye.
Are you digging the kind of content I'm producing? Then be sure to watch this next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be in the know when I release my next video.